If you're wondering why I'm outside, it's because I wanted to take the old air filter out and not be breathing in all the dead skin cells that come with that. So the old one has been laid to rest in this bag, and the new one from iSingo is ready to be installed. Now, iSingo is really cool because this one is compatible with the Levoit. I got the pet care filter because we have a dog. Look how nice this is. I mean, this is like precision manufacturing right here. This filter is specifically designed to help with pet dander, pet hair. So if you've got people with schmaller schmees, whether they're guests or people who just are in your home and your family living there, this option from iSingo is a fantastic one. And installing it is about a 2-second process. We just go, and that's it. I love this option. You don't have to pay as much as you do for the brand name, and it works just as well.